asking if you had anything to drink today. That's all.
I heard you.
Okay. So if you had anything to drink today.
I told you no questions.
Could you do me a favor, lift up your visor for me?
I'm not going to do any favors.
Would you lift up your visor now, please?
Are you ordering me?
I am now. Thank you. No problem.
I told you no questions.
Why is that?
Let me know when I'm free to go.
All right, have you been drinking at all?
Let me know when I'm free to go. I'd like to go now.
Do you have any ID on you?
I told you no questions.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you are new at the channel, don't forget to subscribe to watch daily amazing videos and get real knowledge about the law. Today's encounter kicks off at a DUI checkpoint where a rider refuses to answer even the simplest questions. The tension spikes instantly as officers push for clarity, but the rider pushes back with silence and writes. This is where things get complicated: detention limits, lawful orders, ID requirements, and the thin line between cooperation and constitutional boundaries. Stay locked in, because this one escalates fast.
How's it going?
What's up?
Put your helmet on real quick.
Sure. What's up?
You got anything to drink today?
I don't want to answer any questions.
You haven't had anything to drink or no?
I don't want to answer any questions.
Have you had anything to drink today, sir? I can detain you for an hour. Just answer me yes or no.
No questions.
Want to pull over here for me?
Are you ordering me?
Yeah.
Where to? Where?
Right up there. Come on in here. Okay. Go ahead and
This is where the legal tension peaks. The rider is invoking his right to remain silent, which he absolutely can, but note how the officer shifts from casual questioning to implied detention authority. This raises a key question. At what point does a checkpoint stop become a lawful detainment? And would you comply here or stand firm like the rider? Let me know in the comments. This moment divides viewers every time.
It's very simple. I'm just asking if you had anything to drink today. That's all.
I heard you.
Okay. So if you had anything to drink today.
I told you no questions.
Could you do me a favor, lift up your visor for me?
I'm not going to do any favors.
Would you lift up your visor now, please?
Are you ordering me?
I am now. Thank you. No problem.
I told you no questions.
Why is that?
Let me know when I'm free to go.
All right, have you been drinking at all?
Let me know when I'm free to go. I'd like to go now.
Do you have any ID on you?
I told you no questions. Are you demanding ID?
Yes.
I get it out of my pocket here.
Please, please. No alcohol today. That's all we're asking. We're just
I
trying
told
to
you
keep
no
our highway
questions.
safe. Okay. There you go. Feel free to leave.
Have an incident report number, please?
We don't have an incident report right now.
Well, you can get one for me.
You want my card?
Sure.
I can give you my card.
And you're the one who stopped me. You can write it on his.
Please call me and I will give you all the information you need to know. All right?
Sergeant.
All right?
Sorry to inconvenience you. We're just running the checkpoint, making sure to keep our road safe. All right?
Why'd you pull me over?
I didn't pull you over, sir. You're the next one in line. Random check. Wouldn't have been the guy in front of you.
Why'd you pull me over here?
Because we need to find out.
I see. I'm free to go, right?
Yes, you're free to leave.
Give me a key.
This checkpoint stop ends without charges, but the legal layers are worth paying attention to. DUI checkpoints are lawful under U.S. Supreme Court rulings, but officers must balance safety checks with constitutional limits, reasonable suspicion, duration of detainment, and the right to remain silent. The rider's refusal to answer questions is legal, but his strategy highlights exactly how tense these encounters can get when officers push for compliance and citizens push back with rights. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam TV breakdowns.